that was it. That is what I wanted to show you today, my new solar tray and how it folds. It looks so obvious now, but it took me 2 builds to come up with the idea. It came out of the last test ride when I had to admit to myself that timing and availability matter as much as the amount of solar on the bike. And setup time matters too. When everything is on the bike, I carry around 370 watts of solar, and when the place is right, a meadow, a campsite, or a longer break, unfolding the larger and more stable panels from inside the black box makes a lot of sense. But many real stops aren't like that. Sometimes I just stop for a few minutes in a place where I don't want to spread panels on the ground. So when this part of the system is on the bike, it becomes the solar stand. One 50-watt panel is always working and facing the sun, even during the ride when the tray is closed. I added 2 clamps to keep the tray steady on the cargo box. Inside the sandwich, Velcro points keep the panels in position while I'm riding. So they're not just loose panels anymore, they're a controlled stack. When I stop, I can unfold the tray in seconds without using the ground. That gives me an extra 100 watts of solar power. The telescopic rods give the top panel just enough of a defined place behind the bike. That way, I hope it's always the right amount of solar for the stop I actually have. And when there's too much wind, I can fold everything away in seconds. The cables aren't pretty yet, but they're already doing the important thing. They have enough slack to follow the movement, and they don't fight the mechanism. This is still a prototype, but I've tested it a few times, and it's the first time where the rhythm feels right. I will take it on a longer test ride soon, and I also want to try the electric lunchbox during the ride again once I finish the box for it. For now, this is a short tail of the long tail.